This is going to be a combination video of all the paint projects that I've actually done to put this together. These are the modified hubs for the brake upgrade. Just finished painting those all up. They should be dry, and hopefully when the rest of the parts come in, those will all be ready to be put in. And there's the steering. Also just finished painting that. I've already actually painted silver, so really it's a second coat to it. Painted it years ago, but it needed an update. A little update on the motor. We'll get back to that in a minute. All the brake pieces are painted. I know it looks like a mess, but I'm kind of running out of room in here right now. All those are done. So that is the equivalent, or the end of all the things that should need to be painted, I hope. Now we're just finished waiting on parts to come in. The motor is on the dollies, waiting to get shoved underneath the car. So finally off to the engine hoist after 3 years. Just a matter of getting it ready. I think it's ready. The one thing I decided to not do is paint the rear calipers. I thought they looked good enough. Put them back in the container. Sorry for the quick spin. Thanks to thirdgen.org, I think I've come to a conclusion on how to do the wheels, but for now, still those are what I'm going to go with. That's why it makes it more important to actually make sure I paint all the hubs and everything, because they may potentially be exposed. So. Done a lot of the engine compartment. Cleaned up a little bit, but now that everything's painted, I'm still waiting on parts. I don't want to get parts till probably middle of next week. Ordered the wrong inner hub bearing, so I can't even assemble the hubs. Actually, ordered the wrong outer hub bearing. So, and the seal won't be here till Wednesday. So, a lot of pieces I have to wait for. But after this many years, I'm a lot of ecstatic just to have it this far. My friends have been giving me grief about having the car so long, not doing anything with it. As you can tell now, I'm doing something with it. Midsummer. This will be done.